Explore coffee and weaving typical of the Toraja Highlands. Kole Sawangan village is located at the foot of Sadoko Mountain in the western part of Toraja, Malimbung Balepe district, Toraja Regency. From Sultan Hasanuddin International Airport in Makassar to Toraja, it takes around 9 hours by bus. Then, from Makale, the capital of Tanah Toraja to Kole Sawangan is about 12 kilometers or 20 minutes by car, or directly by car from the airport to Kole Sawangan. The other route, from Bua Palopo Airport, it takes around 4 hours by car. The location is an altitude of 1344 meters above sea level. Daily temperatures vary from around 12 degrees Celsius at night and in the morning, 28 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Most Kole Sawangan residents live in the traditional and central house or traditional Toraja houses called Tongkonan. Tongkonan is not just a house, but as a center for social activities, traditional ceremonies, and family relation for generation. The roof curves like a boat facing north and south. With a unique nature and culture, Kole Sawangan offers attractive tour packages with natural and cultural themes that are environmentally friendly and sustainable tourism and applies to all ages. By exploring Kole Sawangan, you can watch and feel activities such as education about coffee, from the process of planting, picking, roasting to enjoying typical Toraja coffee. Rural trekking, visiting the Saluliang Stone Grave Complex, and the place of worship of native Toraja tribes. Catching fish in the rice field, exploring rivers, culinary Toraja, weaving education, Toraja beads, Pak Doran legend, bamboo education, and Toraja local rice. We package tourist attraction into 1 day and 2 day 1 night tour packages. A homestay is available in the form of a tongkonan or traditional house of Toraja, so that tourists can feel the sensation of staying in the tongkonan house or living in a wooden house.